If you're watching this, chances are you're going through the same problem as me and other millions of men out there are, and that's sexual performance. Whether we're talking penis size, erectile dysfunction, or premature ejaculation, everything can be tied to one single culprit, a single cell that's been holding millions of us down, keeping us away from a happy, fulfilling sexual life. But not anymore. Because this scientist managed to uncover a secret so well hidden about the human body that the whole medical college shunned him, thinking that it was just a hoax. Little did they know he held the key to unlocking the full potential of the male reproductive system. Using only one secret ingredient, you have to see it to believe it. Unlock the full potential of your reproductive system.